on to another Autocross event weekend. It's going to be a double-header event, so I'm going to be able to run the Saturday and Sunday events. I'll probably split them up into 2 videos. Interested to see how they have the course set up here at the Precision Driving Center. There's a lot of cool cars here. Finally, another S13 that I'll get to see run out on track. It's a white coupe, guy named Dave. Really cool guy. I've been messaging him on Instagram. Definitely going to be faster than me though, because I think he's got stickier tires on me. And he's KAT, so he's got that torque. Yeah, lots of cool cars here. My friend Josh wasn't able to show up at this 370Z, if that's okay. He's feeling a little under the weather, so better to stay at home and play it safe. So, yeah, let's get to it. Alright, so the course walk is done. Got about 3 walks in, so I feel like I know the course pretty well. It's not so much a technical course as it is high speed, so maybe that'll help me with my low grip all season tires. I know I complain about that like every time, so we'll see how it goes. He's that was a terribly sloppy run, but it's the first run, so I guess it's the time to kind of push the limits and make those mistakes. I don't know how many runs we have, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. There's a lot of people here, so I'm not sure if we'll get a full 5 set of runs. Yeah, definitely a lot of time on the table.
keep getting like 0.1 second faster. That was definitely my fastest lap before. I don't think it has much more in it, or at least I don't. So, 6 runs though.
crashing.
Say what?
You kept it from hitting cones or crashing.
Yeah. It was a fun run.
You were oversteering, and I thought you were going to hit like 5 cones, and then you didn't.
That's one thing these cars are really good at, is just sliding about and being controlled. It's a long wheelbase that helps with that.
Oh, I imagine. Yeah, when my car slides, you're just in for a ride.
Yeah. I'll be very surprised if I didn't hit a cone out there.
I don't think you hit a cone, which is, I was like,
I definitely,
you were going towards like 5 cones, and I was like,
I definitely went off track though. I think I dropped a tire. That was fun.
Yeah, that was fun to ride along. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem, dude.
Still ran a 37.8, so I drove a lot cleaner my last round. I didn't go. Yeah, you guys old 200 trimmers. They're hard. Don't feel right. Yeah, I did.
My boy. That's it for this day of Autocross. Really fun day, really quick track because we were able to keep our speeds quite sustained. So it made for really fast lap times. Fastest was 38.5 on my last run, but unfortunately I got that last cone knocked down on that little chicane there. But that's okay. It was a really fun day trying to... I felt like I was getting reacquainted with the car throughout the day. I felt really skittish at the beginning, and that could just be because of the wet track conditions that we had throughout. It all really dried out throughout the rest of the day, so I think weather should stay pretty clear throughout tomorrow into tonight, so hopefully that's gonna give us some more consistent track times while we're out there. Felt really good, really fun, and I'm sure I'll have some more things to say once I finally review the footage. I think that's it. Car ran really well, couldn't be happier with it. I think I'll catch you guys next time. Have a great day.